Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create a mockup using AI tool. Here you can go and type Packify AI. This one is the AI tool website that you can use and create different type of designs, such as you can create product designs, web design, and different type of other designs. After that, simply you need to go and create a free account. Now we got 40 credits here, you can see. Now scroll down, and after that on the top here you can find out the tool section, AI design. Click here, then click here this button. Now here you can type create mockup for marketing agency landing page. Name is Enable Website Design. Then press enter. You can also add reference image if you need. After that, here you can see on the left side you have multiple options to create any type of products mockup or design. So guys, here you can see these are designs are ready. So these are different designs. You can check one by one. You can keep the design that you like. After that, you can also type it to generate new designs. You can easily export these designs by clicking on this button.